హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు మై ఛానల్ కేపీ ట్రెండ్స్. ఈరోజు కొత్త రెస్టారెంట్ కోసం మాట్లాడుకుందాము. ఇది అబీద్స్ రెస్టారెంట్ అండి. డైమండ్ పార్క్ సర్కిల్లో ఉంది. డైమండ్ పార్క్ సర్కిల్ షాప్ నెంబర్ 4, విశాఖపట్నంలోని ఆపోజిట్ సాయిరామ్ పార్లర్. మనకి విశాఖపట్నం అంటే సాయిరామ్ పార్లర్ అందరికీ తెలిసిందే. డైమండ్ పార్క్ దగ్గర దానికి ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ రోడ్లో ఉంటుంది ఇది. అండ్ ఇదోండి లోపలికి వచ్చేసి ఇప్పుడు కూర్చుంటున్నాం మేము. I'll be showing you all the menu. So this is the menu, Abid's menu. You have from halim till non-veg, seafood, tandoori, kebabs, and everything is available here. As you can see, there is fish, prawns, tikka, and there are many restaurants in Vizag. But still I would recommend this restaurant. Chicken 555 here tastes amazing, and we had taken a combo. We ordered Abid's joint biryani, and as well as we ordered the front one which you are watching now is a Chinese platter, in which we have chicken 555 and prawn. It's like, if you want to pamper your taste buds, if you are into like starters, this place is definitely, you can give it a try.
It's good. Nice.
The Abid's special biryani has arrived, and you can see the chicken 555 on the top, and inside also there's a joint. Because we have ordered the special biryani, they have given us a chicken 555, and inside there's a joint chicken biryani, and they started serving. Its smell is very aromatic. My taste buds started like watery. They started literally watery. Then we started to have, and began as soon as it came. Actually, we were very full because the Chinese platter was like too heavy for us, and what was left over, we just asked the waitress to pack it up. Rest of the 555, they immediately agreed and they packed it up, and now we started begging.
Guys, I'm gonna taste this. I need a spoon. No spoon. Spoon. First time like this. Why are you waiting for me? Let's taste this.
So basically, me and my son, we are both foodies. We love to explore food and eat, and like every bud, my son, you can say whatever he tastes it very nicely. He has it very nicely, actually, I could say that. He loves it. And this is mirchi ka salan. This also tastes yummy. As you know, I'm a Hyderabadi person. I would definitely taste mirchi ka salan, and it was very yummy. So for more such videos, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel KP Trends. See you all in the next video.